Hi, welcome to Glide Tech Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to reset all settings on TikTok. So the first thing you have to do is to open your TikTok app this way. The next is to click on your profile image found at the bottom of your screen. So from here, you click on three lines found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on settings and privacy. Click on content preference. Click on refresh your For You field. Click on start. So from here, you just have to select the particular feed that you want to actually refresh. If you want to refresh relevant content, you tell them the reason why you want to really refresh your feed. If you want to refresh useless content, you don't want it again on your feed. I just clicked on triggering content. That is why it's here. So if you just have to select the particular content, you can select more than one actually, and click on the submit option. Having done that, you can go back. So from this settings and privacy section, all you have to do is to scroll gently. You're going to see the option that say free up space. Click on it. Click on clear cache. Clear your cache. You can also clear your download from this section. So when you clear your downloads, you can actually download it again. For that moment, if you really need the space need more space, you can actually clear your download and re-download more videos or images as you need. So guys, that is it on how to reset all settings on TikTok. If this video was helpful, please do also follow Glide Tech Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.